All right, we start with breaking news coming in now. Congress party MLA sparked controversy. NCP party MLA sparked controversy recently after he said that Lord Ram ate meat as he could not live in the jungle for 14 years, being a vegetarian. This Indi leader has now reiterated his statement. Jitendra Awad has now said that this statement was based on research on the Ramayana. So he is only trying to justify and he is repeating his statement. And BJP, on the other hand, remember, is staging protests. On the right of his screens, you can see BJP is up in arms against Jitendra Awad. Indi leader Jitendra Awad had said that Lord Ram was a Kshatriya and he was a meat eater. And now he goes on to justify his comment, saying that it is all based on research in Ramayana. So after after Jitendra Awad insulted Lord Ram, BJP is staging protest against this leader from an Indi ally. And anger is only mounting against this anti-Hindu remark of NCP leader Jitendra Awad. This big breaking that we are getting in right now. Get you more reactions also on this. Remember, the comment has sparked a row. NCP leader's comment on Lord Ram was a non-vegetarian. He was a meat eater, and this, of course, coming ahead of the grand consecration of the Ram temple in Ayodhya. It has sparked a massive controversy. Already, we are seeing that the politics over Lord Ram and Ayodhya has been mounting, has been peaking ahead of the consecration. But this insult against Lord Ram is something that the BJP is not at all taking lightly. BJP is staging protests and nationwide stir against what Jitendra Awad has said. In fact, let's take a listen into what Awad had said while he was apologizing. He continued to justify. Take a listen in.
श्रीरामाबद्दल बोलत असताना मी म्हटलं की ते मांसाहारी होते. हा वाद मला वाढवायचा नाही आहे, पण जे ह्याच्या विरोधात उभे राहिलेत त्यांच्या माहितीसाठी सांगतो. वाल्मिकी रामायणामध्ये 6 खंड आहेत. बालाखंड, अयोध्याखंड, अरण्यखंड, किशिकिंद, सुंदरखंड आणि युद्धखंड. त्याच्यातलं अयोध्याखंडातलं सर्ग 22, 52 आणि श्लोक 10, श्लोक 102 हा आहे. आता मी हा वाचून दाखवत नाही, कारण का मला वाद अजून वाढवायचा नाहीये. मी कुठल्याही भाष्य अभ्यासाशिवाय केलेलं नाही. पण त्याही वरती मी जाऊन सांगतो की आजकाल अभ्यासाला महत्व नाही तर भावनांना महत्व आहे. आणि त्याच्यावरती मी एवढंच बोलीन की जर माझ्या कालच्या वक्तव्यामुळे कोणाच्या भावना दुखवल्या गेल्या असतील तर मी त्याबद्दल खेद व्यक्त करतो. श्रीरामाबद्दल बोलत असताना मी म्हटलं की ते मांसाहारी होते. हा वाद मला वाढवायचा नाही आहे, पण जे ह्याच्या विरोधात उभे राहिलेत त्यांच्या माहितीसाठी सांगतो. वाल्मिकी रामायणामध्ये 6 खंड आहेत. बालाखंड, अयोध्याखंड, अरण्यखंड, किशिकिंद, सुंदरखंड आणि युद्धखंड. त्याच्यातलं अयोध्याखंडातलं सर्ग 22, 52 आणि श्लोक 10, श्लोक 102 हा आहे. आता मी हा वाचून दाखवत नाही, कारण का मला वाद अजून वाढवायचा नाहीये. मी कुठल्याही भाष्य अभ्यासाशिवाय केलेलं नाही. पण त्याही वरती मी जाऊन सांगतो की आजकाल अभ्यासाला महत्व नाही तर भावनांना महत्व आहे. आणि त्याच्यावरती मी एवढंच बोलीन की जर माझ्या कालच्या वक्तव्यामुळे कोणाच्या भावना दुखवल्या गेल्या असतील तर मी त्याबद्दल खेद व्यक्त करतो.
So there you heard Jitendra Awad, who's the Sharad Pawar's faction leader of the NCP. My colleague Sandeep joins us live from Mumbai right now. Sandeep, of course, it's not the first time that we've seen, a leader from the India Alliance or India Ally, indulging in such statements, speaking out insultful remarks against maybe Sanatan Dharma or Lord Ram or Ram Temple. But now we just heard Jitendra Awad actually trying to now justify it by finding out verses from the Ramayana, from the Valmiki Ramayana. And now we see that BJP is only upping the ante. And now, of course, it's a stir that they plan to take it to the entire nation. They are staging massive protests against Jitendra Awad. We don't understand that. How does this really help the India Alliance to such kinds of comments?
Definitely at this point of time, it is not the first instance wherein Jitendra Awad has made such kind of statement. Previously in the past as well, he had made controversy statement on Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Before that, he also attacked an individual in the theatres. His party workers had attacked a few people in the theatres during that film was underway. So this is not the first time that Jitendra Awad has done this. If you go through with the statements by the Bharatiya Janata Party leaders and the Shinde camp leaders, and not only these people, but the whole saint community, the priest community, the whole Hindu community is also against the statement that has been in fact made by Jitendra Awad. Although he is citing the verses of Ayodhya Kand of Valmiki Ramayana, but it is very much crucial to understand the fact that many people across India and the people who believe in Hinduism follow the Tulsidas Ramayana, and there is no such mentioning been done in Tulsidas's Ramayana. Rakshita, at this point of time, it is important to understand as well that Jitendra Awad belongs to the Mumra constituency, and remember the day when Jitendra Awad made this statement, Ram Kadam had demanded, the BJP MLA Ram Kadam had demanded to ban to close the meat shops, to shut the liquor shops for one day on the day of inauguration of the Ram temple. Now, after this statement of and after the demand of Ram Kadam, Jitendra Awad comes in Shirdi and makes a statement which creates controversy, and in fact following which we can see there is an outrage against Awad, and the Hindu community has come ahead and in fact spoken against Jitendra Awad. But ultimately, there have been demands to take action against Jitendra Awad. So far, Sharad Pawar, neither Uddhav Thackeray has spoken anything regarding the statement that is being made.